Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Stremio app on Android. Let's get started. If you're using Stremio on your Android phone, you can add it to your home screen for quick access. Here's how. Open your web browser and go to Stremio Web. The steps may vary slightly depending on your browser, but generally you can do this by tapping the three-dot menu and selecting Add to Home Screen. Once added, the Stremio icon will appear on your home screen, making it easier to access. However, Stremio Web doesn't support torrent playback or video streaming directly in the browser. To fix this, you need to set up a streaming server on your Android phone. Then, go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down to the Player section, and under Advanced, select Play in External Player. Choose an external player such as VLC, MX Player, or Just Player. Make sure the selected player is already installed on your device. Now, when you open a link, it will automatically play in your chosen external player. And that's how you can use Stremio on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.